Of the following best describes technological pedagogical knowledge among teachers. Ito madali lang siyang intindihan yung TPAC, TPK, CK, PK. So later, tingnan natin yan. Is it letter A, B, C, or D? PPK, even if you're not familiar with the term, you can answer this one. Technological pedagogical knowledge. Technology plus instruction. How will you teach? The answer here is letter C, their use of technology in instruction. Originally, PCK lang naman talaga yan. The what we know TPAC is originally PCK. Ano tong PCK? Pedagogical Content Knowledge. Ibig sabihin, it's your knowledge of what to teach plus how to teach the what to teach. I guess my logic, teacher, is your knowledge of what to teach plus how to teach that what to teach. Ibig sabihin, paano mo ituturo yung content na alam mo. Okay? Yung content na kailangan. Kapag pedagogical knowledge, PK, ito ay isa sa bumubuo sa PCK. This is your knowledge of instruction, your techniques, strategies, how will you teach? Okay? Kapag content knowledge naman, this is about what will you teach. That's it. That's simple. Ngayon, next natin is TPAC. Ngayon, ang TPAC, medyo mukha lang siyang complicated. Tatandaan lang natin dyan is how will you teach content using technology or vice versa. Okay? Kahit paglabu-labuhin nyo yun, 'di ba? So, ganun pa rin ang kakahinatnan ng TPAC. Technological pedagogical knowledge, yung kanina, 'di ba? How will you teach using a technology? Okay? Pag technological content knowledge naman, paano mo, alam mo 'yun, paano mo gagamitan ng technology yung content, yung subject mo? And then kapag pedagogical content knowledge, the same kanina, yung in-explain ko, this is the original one, 'di ba? The PCK, how will you teach what you know? Okay po. So hopefully naintindihan na at madali sa inyong maintindihan kasi titingnan mo lang naman yan, tapos inform mo lang sa kanila kung ano ibig sabihin nila. Madali lang naman silang intindihin, 'di ba? Kasi sanay naman na tayo sa mga ganitong terms in professional education. So ganun lang siya.